Something interesting happened today at Byju's, which may be the death knell for Baiju Ravindran, the founder. To understand that, let's recap a bit. November 2021, Byju successfully secured a 1.2 billion term loan. September 22, after a delay of 18 months in filing its audited financial statements, Byju's posted a record loss of 4,588 crore. Yet in October 22, Byju still managed to raise $250 million from existing investors. In December 22, however, creditors asked Byju's to immediately repay the term loan. In March 23, Byju's again failed to disclose the financial results. In April 23, the lenders demand prepayment and propose higher interest on the restructured loan. Byju's opted for a legal recourse, and in June 2023, there was a lawsuit against the lenders accusing them of high-handed behavior and exploitative practices. Netherlands-based investor Process NV has marked down Byju's valuation to under $3 billion. That is an 86% decline. And to make matters worse, the ED has also issued a show cause notice of 9,362 crore. Here are the top shareholders in Byju's, with Baiju Ravindran and his relatives Divya and Riju holding 26% of the equity shares, making it impossible to pass a special resolution. So why, interestingly, today, under Section 100 of the Companies Act, the shareholders of Byju's have sent a notice to call for an extraordinary general meeting, and in the notice they have mentioned that they are deeply concerned about the future stability of the company under the current leadership. Requested this because of governance issues, financial mismanagement and compliance issues. So they want a complete revamp of the board of directors. It remains to be seen whether Byju's would rise up like the proverbial phoenix, or would it really be Byju's.